Hello Slayers and welcome to the Dauntless Developer Update. I'm Community Manager Ian Tournay, here to talk to you about the Sharpen Your Skills update. In this patch, you can look forward to 2 new deadly behemoths to hunt, new combat features, major updates to matchmaking, and we'll round it out with new gear and improvements to character creation.
With the Sharpen Your Skills update, we'll be introducing 2 very different new behemoths that will test your skills as a Slayer. To break through Skarn's rock armor, you'll need a solid plan. Slayers using blunt damage weapons will be able to break away its rocky exterior and create opportunities for their hunting party to move in and deal heavy damage. At the other end of the spectrum is Karabac, quick, unpredictable, and razor sharp. It doesn't matter where you are, you'll have to react at any moment, because this behemoth will slice you to ribbons in an instant.
Part polearm and part rocket launcher, the Warpike is the perfect weapon for Slayers who want to balance precise surgical combat with explosive ranged blasts. The Warpike weaves calculated pokes, tactical sidesteps, and stylish slashes into long combos, with every attack you land charging your meter. Once full, you can bank and convert that meter into ammo, then unleash a ranged blast at the behemoth when you've got a clean shot. The Warpike is the perfect tactical addition to any Slayer's arsenal. In this patch, physical damage types hugely impact the way you play. Hammers deal blunt damage, and that's great for staggering behemoths. That creates the perfect opportunity for the Warpike, which introduces piercing damage. Repeatedly piercing a behemoth's limb wounds it, making it easier for cutting weapons like the sword to sever. While mixing and matching different damage types isn't a requirement for defeating behemoths, it is going to be what sets top-tier Slayers apart from the rest of the pack. This patch also introduces the Cell system, which allows players to discover and tweak their own unique playstyles as they customize their weapons and armor. The Cell system gives Slayers the power to socket a variety of improvements and bonuses into their gear. These range from simple defensive buffs and team perks to temporary damage multipliers tied to skillful, high-level play. With each piece of gear having different cell slots available, you'll be able to build out an arsenal full of uniquely optimized sets so you can pick the perfect one for any job.
With this patch, we're updating both matchmaking and progression, so that whether you're playing once a day or once a week, you're going to have an awesome time. Instead of queuing for 1 or 2 behemoths, we're updating the hunt board and grouping hunts together by regions. Within these regions, you'll be able to patrol, fighting a variety of behemoths that share the valuable resources that you need. This means that if you're looking to upgrade your Shrike Sword, you can still make headway in a fight against a Nasher. Of course, there will always be a few unique parts that you need from behemoths. As you complete your region hunts, you'll be able to earn the opportunity to select these behemoths. So don't worry if you've got your sights set on that top tier gear. Our goal is for Slayers to spend less time looking for a group and more time hunting. For anybody looking for an extra challenge or just a change of pace, we'll be introducing both daily and weekly hunts in this patch. These hunts will have you pitting your skills against tough behemoths for additional loot and challenging your loadout against hunt modifiers in the very near future.
When we're designing new weapons and armor, we develop a unique theme that's based on the behemoth encounter so that the player feels like they're harnessing its power when they wear its gear. There's a ton of great new gear going to sharpen your skills. I'm excited for Slayers to suit up with the Charog gear. Thick plates, rugged hide, and the sharp, vicious jawline. It's a great set if you're looking to feel like a space barbarian. Top Slayers who've made their way to later hunts will finally get a chance to make Rezakiri weapons. You've been asking for these ever since we revealed the behemoth, so we can't wait to see what you think of this new gear.
Slayers let us know that they loved the Dark Harvest, and we are excited to give a preview of our upcoming winter event. Frostfall will hit the Shattered Isles shortly after the Sharpen Your Skills update. Expect more challenging hunts, seasonal items, and snowy surprises. Frostfall will also bring enhancements for the character creator: face paint, new hairstyles, eyebrow modification, and of course beards. Our goal is always to make sure that you're able to create a character that represents who you are as a Slayer, and you'll see improvements to that end in this patch and beyond.
This video is just a brief overview of what's to come, and you can learn more about any of these topics at playdauntless.com and join the discussion in the Dauntless forums. From all of us at Phoenix Labs, thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, clear skies, Slayers.